It is, but it has buttons that Mia can push, so she likes it. That's like the mouse.
Let's play some music. Push the letter button.
Push the letter buttons. You can play music. You do it. There seems to be a disturbance.
Piano.
It's like a piano, yeah. It can be a piano. It can play games with you.
I'm trying to get a picture of her smiling, and she never does. It's up there.
Well, she's...
Here, get the camera.
Here.
It's up on the
The alphabet. I got the alphabet.
Mia, look at me.
Cheese.
Oh, she's moving.
I know. Well, don't tell her. Just she's looking at you anyway. So
Have you checked your email?
push the button, Mia.
Juice.
Oh, that was pretty good. You like that toy?
Push the letter button.
We might have to put some batteries in here. That's the key to our batteries.
Music playlist. Go to leapfrog.com/myownleaptop.
Yeah, we have to put batteries in it. Okay. Well, we can do it a little bit later. But here, put the lid on it and put it over to the side.
Push a letter button.
And I think it's your turn to open a present.
Let's play some music. I keep getting the same wrapping.
Well, Santa must have had certain kinds of wrapping paper.
Probably.
What is that?
It's Harry
Potter. That's what I wanted.
I spent
My
all
goodness.
day playing fetch.
I'm
What's
boyish.
your favorite
Huh?
game?
I'm boyish for boys. But I like
Boyish for boys?
I'm a girl.
Let's
and
play
I
some
like
music. Push
That's
the
not
letter
a boy
button.
thing. That's just Legos. Legos are for everybody. Not necessarily boys or girls.
You have an email from me. Let's read it. Hi. You want to go play fetch at the beach?
Is that the one you wanted?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hold it up, Mia.
Hold it up so Daddy can see it.
Ooh.